Hi, this is Sam Schick from JRA, your internet marketing support partner. At JUNKCON this year, I'm going to be talking about capacity. For 15 years, it was something that chased me all the way through every single year. Capacity chased me, whether it was people, it was pricing, it was truck sizes, it was trucks, period, and it was capacity that I always had to meet. If you stunt your capacity, you stunt your growth. And everybody's in this business to scale and to go as high as they can as far as revenue. Look at your business in different areas and ask yourself, am I meeting the actual capacity? One of the areas I see quite frequently is the schedule. The schedule is a very powerful tool. And if you're scheduling one job for every 2-hour blocks of time, you're hurting yourself, you're hurting your capacity. You should have an ability to schedule at least 2, maybe 3, in a 2-hour block of time. It is called overbooking, but we all know that the actual appointment to remove junk doesn't take 2 hours. But you've put yourself in a capacity issue to where if that is a cancellation or if that job goes through, the next scheduled job will start 2 hours later, which again, most jobs take you about 30-35 minutes. And it's very easy to call a customer and say, listen, Mrs. Jones, we may not be there between the 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock window, but we'll give you a call as soon as we're ready. Most people understand and they don't have a problem with it. Again, most people experience a slow growth, sometimes because it's the obstacle in the way is the owner, and you have to think about it all the time. Again, 15 years of chasing capacity. Anyway, let me tell you about a special offer. Just this week, till Sunday, 11:59 p.m., Lee and myself are going to offer 1 free hour of consultation to ask us anything. Ask us whatever questions you have. And we've got 60 minutes to just talk about your business and how we can help you. Make sure that 11:59 p.m. you've purchased your tickets and get this special offer, because I think in a year's time, I probably don't talk to maybe 20 or 30, 40 people one-on-one. So this is an opportunity to get it for free. 1 hour of consultation to ask us anything. The only key is make sure you get there and you do it before 11:59 this Sunday. I'll see you at JUNKCON.